Everybody stay where you are, chill the F out. I'm gonna ask you this one time. Where's Gamora? Yeah, I'll do you one better. Who is Gamora?
I'll do you one better. Why is Gamora?
Tell me where the girl is, or I swear to you, I'm gonna French fry this little freak.
Let's do it. You shoot my guy and I blast him. Let's go. Do it, Quill. I can take it.
No, he can't take it.
She's right. You can't.
Oh yeah, you don't want to tell me where she is? That's fine. I'll kill all three of you, and I'll beat it out of Thanos myself. Starting with you. Wait, what, Thanos? Let's see this one time. What master do you serve? What master do I serve? What am I supposed to say, Jesus? You're from Earth. I'm not from Earth, I'm from Missouri. Yeah, that's on Earth, dipshit. What are you hassling us for?
So you're not with Thanos?
With Thanos? No. I'm here to kill Thanos. He took my girl away. Who are you?
We're the Avengers, man.